Okay, let us proceed for the homogeneous equations. Okay, now, there are other equations variables are not separable. For example, in x, in x plus y dx plus x dy equal to 0, okay, the presence of x and y in x plus y indicates that the variable x and y are not separable. Okay, consider the differential equation of order 1. We have m of x y dx plus n of x y dy is equal to 0, where both m and n are homogeneous function of the same degree in each term involving x and y. Now, let x is equal to vy or y is equal to Vx, depending on the convenience of solution. Either ang gamitin mo, palta ng x or palta ng y, you will arrive at the same answer. But remember, depending on the convenience of solution. Ang lagi nyo pipiliin kung saan mas madali kayong makakapag-solve. Okay. Upon substituting your x equal to vy and its differential dx is equal to v dy plus y dv, the resulting differential equation will be in terms of the variable v and y. After simplifying, the variables are separable. Okay, it is very important to know that the solution of any homogeneous equation will usually lead to the separation of variables. Okay, example. Okay, the differential equation x squared plus y squared dx plus 3x y dy equal to 0. Okay, looking at this equation, the most convenient na palitan natin is yung x. Kasi kung ang y pala, ang papalitan natin. Kasi kung x ang papalitan natin, look at this one, you have your dx, mas mahaba ang process. Pero you will arrive at the same answer. Pero yung mas convenient na gamitin is yung palitan natin yung y. Okay, let y is equal to Vx, and then the dy becomes V dx plus x dv. Okay, therefore we have, change your y into Vx. We have x squared plus V squared x squared dx plus 3x, and your y, change your y into Vx, then your dy is V dx plus x dv equal now to 0. Then we have to distribute your dx. We have x squared dx plus V squared x squared dx plus 3 V squared x squared dx plus 3x cubed V dv equal to 0. Equal to 0. Wait. Okay, recheck po natin. X squared dx plus v squared x squared dx plus 3v squared x squared dx plus 3x cubed v dv. Okay. Pwede natin pag-combinein to. Magkaparehas sila ng variable. You have x squared dx plus 1 and 3. Therefore, that is 4 v squared x squared dx plus 3x cubed v dv equal to 0. Transpose natin to sa right side. Then get the common factor of this one. we have x squared dx times 4, 1 muna pala, common factor. We have 1 plus 4v squared equal to negative 3 x cubed v dv. Okay. Okay, therefore we have x squared dx over negative x cubed equal to 3v dv over 1 plus 4b squared. Okay, cancel. We have the integral negative dx over x equal to 3 integral v dv over 1 plus 4v squared. Okay, the derivative of 4b squared is 8v dv. Ang kuling sa numerator natin is 8. If you add 8, you have to include 1/8 here. Okay, therefore, this one is negative. ln x equal to 3 over 8 ln 1 plus 4b squared. Then, 4b squared minus ln c. Remember yung c, kahit anong gawin po natin dito. Since this one is a constant, ginawa kong ganito para mas madaling isimplify. Okay, therefore, this one is 3 over 8 ln 1 plus 4b squared plus ln c is ln x. Let's use this one as x. ln x equal to ln c. Transpose natin yung ln c sa kabila, eto dito, para mag-plus. Therefore, this one is ln ln x 1 plus 4v squared raised to 3 over 8 equal to ln c. Okay, therefore, this one, we have x. Palitan na natin ang v kasi kanina nilet natin na ang let y is equal to vx. Now, your v now is equal to, kailangan ibalik natin sa dati na x and y ang variable. We have y over x. We have 1 plus 4. This one is v squared. Therefore, that is y squared over x squared raised to 3 over 8 equal to c. Therefore, we have x. Tapos, we have x squared plus 4y squared over x squared raised to 3 over 8 equal to c. Simplify muna natin para masimplify natin yung nasa labas. Therefore, this one is x times x squared plus 4y squared raised to 3 over 8 all over x raised to 6 over 8 is 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Tapos pwede natin i-simplify itong dalawa. This one will become x raised to 1/4 times x squared plus 4y squared raised to 3 over 8. Ito equal to c. Tapos c equal to c. Therefore, the final answer is x raised to 1/4 x squared plus 4y squared raised to 3 over 8 equal to c.